Today, we're going to learn about a fantastic invention, the telephone.
Imagine if we could talk to someone far away as if they were right next to us. Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you.
This was the first time a clear message was sent and received through the telephone. The telephone works by converting our voice into electrical signals and then back into sound. Over the years, the telephone has evolved, becoming smaller, portable, and now smart.
We can not only talk, but also see each other through these phones.
And that, students, is the amazing journey of the telephone, an invention that changed the world.